This error is a PlayStation error code that typically indicates a problem with your PlayStation console or a software issue. This error code may occur when you're trying to play a game, download content, or use certain features on your PlayStation. Here are some steps you can try to resolve the error. Restart your console. Sometimes, simply restarting your PlayStation can resolve temporary software glitches. Turn off your console, unplug it from the power source, wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Check for system updates. Ensure that your PlayStation is running the latest system software. Go to the Settings menu, select System, and then choose System Software Update to check for updates. Check for game updates. If you encounter this error while playing a specific game, make sure that the game is up to date. Check for updates in the Games menu or on the PlayStation Store. Reinstall the game. If the error is associated with a specific game, try deleting the game and then reinstalling it. Clear cache. Clearing the cache on your PlayStation can sometimes resolve errors. To do this, turn off your PlayStation, unplug it, and then press and hold the power button for at least 7 seconds. This will clear the cache. Plug it back in and restart. Check for disk drive issues. If you're using a physical game disc, ensure that it's clean and not scratched. If there are issues with the disk drive itself, you may need to contact Sony for support. Check internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can also cause this error when downloading or updating games. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Initialize PS5, factory reset. This should be a last resort. If none of the above steps work, you can try initializing your PlayStation, which essentially resets it to its factory settings. Be aware that this will erase all data on your console, so be sure to back up your important data before attempting this. Contact Sony support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, it's a good idea to contact Sony's support team or visit their official website for additional guidance and assistance.